Hi guys, today we will build the bertrum piedoment. Okay, first you got this piece, this roundy piece. It was, this thing was 6 by 6. So, okay, the 6 circle needs to be the 6 by 6 and put on 2 of these pieces here. And now put this kind of piece on here, like this. You see it? Okay. And then you put this thing. You can get this one with no holes like this, because I only have this hole. And you put on like this. Here it is. Okay, when you've done this, put this piece on here. Okay, put 2 of these round 4 by 4 pieces here. And now this stuff. You need a 4 by 4 pieces like this. The square thing, okay? And then connect 4 of the 6 by 6 legs. This kind of bertrum piedoment is mini, not too big, okay? Now you put just 2 by 2 pieces onto these ribs, these legs. Whoa, these things are really slippery. So make sure you put 4 of these 2 by 2 pieces first when you put on these, okay? I can't pour any. Now you put this. Oh, I forgot. We need to put this wheel thing here on here, and put back on this, so it's gonna spin. Look at this. Okay. Now put these things on it. Okay. This, and now you got a piece of this, like a spider, huh? It's like a vops thing. And now the last one, you put this on here, and now you got a bertrum piedoment. Even has 4 legs, and you can spin it too. So after I done this video, I got one for you. I forgot this piece. You can do any single piece you want and put on here, and almost like it's a bertrum piedoment. Okay? Click the subscribe button down that YouTube video, and click that bell too. Okay? Bye bye. Have a nice day.